Hi, my name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. I am a director of Life Force Homeopathy. We have clinics in Mumbai, Pune and Bangalore, and we treat patients from across the world using the online model. Well, today we'll talk about how to find a good homeopathic doctor in your city. Well, most people, they search for homeopathic doctors on Google or any search engine, and they end up locating few doctors in the surrounding area, but they are not sure many times how to really put a finger on a good doctor who is able to treat his or her condition. After making a search on Google, and when you go to visit the doctor's website, it is important for you to keep in mind certain points which can help you decide whether the said homeopathic doctor is able to treat you in the best way. The disease that you may be having, it is important that your doctor has adequate knowledge, understanding and experience in the treatment of that disease. For example, if you are getting treated by, say, migraine headache or lichen planus or, say, vitiligo, your doctor should have seen at least 15 to 50 cases of the disease in order to gain good insight and understanding on the treatment of that disease. If somebody has not had enough experience with such diseases, then possibly it might be difficult for that homeopathic doctor to treat you. Also make sure that the homeopath that you identify has adequate medical qualification. In most countries in the world, the homeopathic doctors are graduates or postgraduates. They are either graduate doctors. For example, in India you find BHMS doctors, which is a undergrad qualification for a homeopathic doctor, and you also find MD doctors who are postgraduate doctor of medicine in homeopathy in many parts of the world. In certain Western countries, you might find doctors who are conventionally trained MD and they practice homeopathy. So you can always check with your doctor what is the qualification, whether that qualification is valid, legal in that country or not. That is also very important. You may also find out whether this doctor has adequate training in understanding various diseases, whether the doctor has had training in terms of understanding the basic medical subjects such as anatomy, physiology, pathology, medicine, surgery, gynecology, ENT, pediatrics, psychiatry, medical prudence and other related subjects. Your doctor should have, most importantly, great insight into the understanding of you as a patient, and should also have good understanding about understanding the diseases that you are getting treated. Any superficial knowledge of the disease is not going to help, especially when you are referring to the treatment of chronic diseases. Your homeopathic doctor should also have adequate knowledge about conventional medicine and the conventional treatment for various diseases, because for chronic disease such as, say, psoriasis or ulcerative colitis or even hypertension, most of the time the patients are on some conventional homeopathic or conventional treatment, conventional medicine, and when you shift or when you add homeopathic treatment on top of that, the homeopathic doctor has to have good knowledge about understanding the conventional medicines, because without that he or she will not be able to guide you as to how to reduce these doses over the period of time. So it is very important that you select a right qualified and experienced homeopathic doctor for the treatment of your disease, so that you are able to relate with that doctor for a long time. He is able to provide you good service in terms of spending good quality time with you. He has a good support staff who can give you appointments timely. He is able to have good communication or approachability in terms of connectivity by phone, by email and so on, because good communication and approachability is extremely important for the success of any ongoing long-term treatment. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.